Ayan, the elder, was simple and kind, always helping his father with their humble farm. Zayan, the younger, was more interested in fashion and having fun with his friends. Rehan often worried about his son's future, especially since he didn't have much to leave them. One day, as Rehan was tidying the attic, he found an old, dusty wooden box. Inside, he discovered a faded map and a small, strangely shaped key. The map showed a path leading to a hidden treasure on their own land. A thrill of hope shot through him. This could change everything for his family. He called his sons and showed them the map. Zayan scoffed, saying it was just an old man's fantasy and a waste of time. He'd rather hang out with his friends. But Ayan's eyes lit up with excitement. He trusted his father and was eager for an adventure. The next morning, Rehan and Ayan set out with shovels and the map. Zayan watched them leave, shaking his head. They followed the map's winding path to an ancient banyan tree at the edge of their property. According to the map, the treasure was buried right at its roots. They dug for hours under the hot sun. Just as they were about to give up, Ayan's shovel hit something hard. It was a large, iron-clad chest with a small, intricate lock. Rehan took out the key he had found. It fit perfectly. With a click, the chest opened. Inside, it wasn't gold or jewels, but countless seeds of every shape and size, along with a book filled with ancient farming techniques. Rehan realized this was the true treasure. It was the knowledge to make their land flourish for generations. What if their treasure spread? But not the way they expected. 3 greedy men from the village heard rumors of gold. They cornered Rehan and Ayan, demanding the chest. Thinking quickly, Ayan told them the treasure was a special kind of golden grain that only grew with a secret chant. He led them to a barren patch of land and gave them some common millet seeds, claiming they were the magical grains. He taught them a nonsensical chant and told them to repeat it while planting. The greedy men, blinded by their avarice, fell for it completely. They spent weeks toiling and chanting, waiting for their golden harvest. Meanwhile, Rehan and Ayan used the real seeds and the knowledge from the book. They transformed their small farm into a paradise of lush crops, rare fruits, and fragrant flowers. Their harvest was bountiful, and they became the most prosperous family in the region. Zayan, seeing their success and the foolishness of the greedy men still chanting over their barren plot, felt a deep sense of regret. He apologized to his father and brother and asked to learn their ways. Rehan welcomed him with open arms, and together, the 3 of them worked the land, their family bond stronger than ever. The true treasure wasn't a chest of gold, but the wisdom, hard work, and the unity that brought them true, lasting wealth.